Hello students, now let us look at what are the like fractions, unlike fractions, proper and improper fractions, and what are unit fractions. First we will look what are like and unlike fractions. So here I have written three fractions, 1 by 6, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. Now first compare first two fractions, that is 1 by 6 and 5 by 6. What do you observe? Did you observe that denominator of both the fractions are same? In both the fractions denominator is 6. Now compare the last two fractions, that is 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. What did you observe out of these two fractions? In both the fractions denominator are different as well as the numerator is different. Now let us look at the first and second fraction only, in which denominator is same, that is 6. Here in 1 by 6 and 5 by 6 have same denominator, hence they both are like fractions. And fractions with same denominator are like fractions, and fractions with different denominators are unlike fractions. So what can you say about first two fractions? They both have same denominator, that is 6. So they are like fractions. If we compare second and third fraction, that is 5 by 6 and 3 by 4, they both have different denominators and so they are unlike fractions. So it is simple to compare or to say which are like fractions and which are unlike fractions simply by comparing the denominators. If two fractions have same denominator, then the fractions are like fractions. If they have different denominators, then they are unlike fractions. Now, let us look at the unit fractions. What are unit fractions? Fractions with numerator as 1 are called unit fractions. So इसका मतलब है जिसका भी न्यूमरेटर, जिस भी फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर हमें 1 दिया गया है वो यूनिट फ्रैक्शन है. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 9, 1 by 2 are unit fractions because they have 1 as a numerator. So in any fraction, if the numerator is 1 irrespective of its denominator, if numerator is 1, then the fraction is unit fraction. Now let us look at the proper and improper fractions. Fractions whose numerator is less than its denominator are called proper fractions. They are always smaller than 1. For example, 1 by 3. In this fraction 1, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Denominator is 3, numerator is 1. 1 is less than 3. So 1 by 3 is proper fraction. Next example is 2 by 3. 2 is also smaller than 3, so it is also proper fraction. 7 by 9, 5 by 8 also have numerator less than its denominator, so they are proper fractions. Now, fractions whose numerator is greater than its denominator are called improper fractions. For example, 6 by 5. Now 6 is greater than 5, so numerator here is greater than its denominator. Similarly, 3 by 2, 3 is greater than 2. 11 by 9, 11 is greater than 9. 4 by 3, 4 is greater than 3. In all of these fractions, numerator are greater than its denominator. So in such fractions whose numerator is greater than its denominator are called improper fractions. So you can simply remember it as if numerator is less than its denominator, then they are called proper fractions. If numerator is greater than its denominator, then they are improper fractions.